just...
God, I'm gonna get so much fucking drunk on my leg.
Yeah, you sit.
Yeah! That's it, on the door?
Yo, close it first.
Now that's the ticket.
Alright. I hope you're backing out the whole way, right, Tim?
Damn! Damn!
This is fine.
Dude. Ah, Tim! I don't even know what on to.
You're send her out there. Steady as she goes. Stay on him, Jim.
Oh, fucking, ah!